Nah, this look crazy.
Oh, they started bugging off the rip.
What?
21st, 2024. Kylene.
This looks crazy.
Damn.
This looks insane. Yo, nah, it's not even a laughing matter. It just, what type of intro was that? Yo, spam high YouTube. It's heavy, chat.
It's heavy.
Texas. An insanely reckless chase ends with
this chase look crazy.
Suspect after he drives his truck into a mall, injuring several others in the process. The chase began after the suspect evaded a traffic stop on the I-35 and drove into the mall's parking lot after exiting.
So I got my yellow markers on. Moving to the middle lane now.
We'll be left shoulder.
Yeah, I got eyes on you. He's approaching still middle lane, about 30 yards from the bridge. Trying to keep traffic off him. I just need you to stop. We're approaching Whataburger now. Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Still rolling middle lane. Just freeze where you are. Approaching Salotsky. He's jumping all the way to the right lane. Picking it up on the right lane if you can start moving over, passing the Mexican grill. Good copy. Right there, approaching it.
This the truck, chat. This the truck.
You got the big body out.
Black one with the 296, David Victor 60.
Uh-oh, pit.
Oh, no. His tires pop?
Strong, chat. What is that? A Ford?
Nah,
Is that a Ford Raptor?
I feel like you're gonna get caught because that's a big body, bro. That car is fast, but it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. Like,
Pickups. I don't know about pickups, chat. It's a Ram? A Ram getting rammed. Alright, bet.
he's taking it slow right now. This nigga taking it slow. I'm trying to see action, bro. What's up? Like, come on, bro. What's up? This nigga not doing nothing. I'm trying to see niggas speeding. Like, this nigga driving regular, like.
It's heavy.
We're turning north on the WS Young. North on WS Young. Going into the Killeen Mall.
All parking lots in between.
We're looping back around here.
Bruh, how come they still like, this nigga's not even doing nothing, bro? And they can't catch him? It's crazy.
The parking lot, he turns into the doors of JCPenney, hitting 14 people as he drives through the mall. Police.
Nigga, what? What? How many people? Bro, that's a mass. Bro.
That's OD.
He turns into the doors of JCPenney, hitting 14 people as he drives through the mall. Police.
This nigga wildin'.
What?
20 quick routes.
Jay bombed with a Big 10. Oh my
This
God.
nigga went inside the JCPenney?
Oh my God. Oh my god.
Nah, this nigga wildin'.
Down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Oh my god.
Down! Out of the way! Out of the way! Move out of the way!
Yo, this
This
nigga
point, officers fire
gangster.
nearly 60 rounds at the suspect, fatally injuring him before he can drive to more crowded areas in the mall.
Damn, he started booming at that nigga. Nah, that nigga dead. There's no way. If that officer missed shots, bro, that nigga's a rookie, bro.
Damn one if you would empty the clip too though, chat. That's crazy, chat.
I'm not gonna lie, I probably would have emptied the clip, but still, I don't know. I mean, if he hit, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, if he hit 14 people, chat, and I'm the officer, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm booming at that nigga. I ain't gonna lie. He might fuck around and crash me. I'm booming at that nigga. You bugging.
Reloading!
That's crazy.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
That's crazy.
I'm gonna break this way. All right.
Now, 14 people is crazy. He's definitely getting charged with attempted murder, all that shit. What the fuck?
Yo, this is crazy, bro.
My weapon, please.
Yeah, I'm fucking for the money.
Hey, we need a hands team. We need a hands team in the cover. I can have cover if you guys go hands.
Let's see a bunch of money, please.
Is it locked up? Hey, we have EMS on the way?
Yeah, we got
Someone call EMS.
We got a lot of units coming.
Look at the bullet holes on the truck, chat. Holy shit. Look at these gashes.
Nah, that nigga started booming at that nigga, bro.
These gashes, yo.
He emptied the whole clip.
Motherfucker got lit up, boy.
No funny
Got
shit.
lit up.
Hey, who are you?
Somebody said he needs more.
All right. No. Hey, I'll grab him if we. Y'all ready? Let's go.
I don't know, my heart would have dropped. Once I started hearing that police booming at me,
I'm on the other side of the
oh
truck.
my god, you bugging. If I was him, I would have went right back out to the same way I came in.
No, just him. But it'd be easier to get just one. It'd be easier to get him out that side. Hey, I think Hey, let's take him out the other door.
This is crazy, bro.
All right.
That's a big body, bro. That truck is a big body.
I don't have anything other than tourniquet on me. Let's go and detain him though, just in case.
Wow, that's crazy. Somebody said the engine's on fire. Is it really?
All right.
Oh, I think I did see some glow in there. You right?
Nah, yeah, that shit is definitely on fire. Yeah, that shit definitely on fire. They bugging.
Anything other than tourniquet on me.
I would have been out. That shit might fuck on niggas and explode. You bugging out. I would have been out. You wildin'.
Go and detain him though, just in case.
Nah, he not alive. They gotta do that for protocol. They gotta do that shit.
That nigga got heart doing that shit.
There's one in the back. Check the head. Let's check the head first. We got
They ain't have to. Somebody said they ain't have to do what? What you say, Chatter? You said I need to get Chatterino, bro. I need to get Chatterino. What did he say? He said they ain't have to. Oh man, I can't. They ain't have to kill him though. He just golf. What? He just give him life. What the fuck?
This should just give him life, not kill him.
I'm gonna be real with you. I would have shot his ass too.
Nah, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I would have boomed at that nigga. You bugging.
I would have shot him too.
I would have shot that nigga. His shit.
Sorry, I would have shot him too. Because my thing is, you going through a mall, bro. He hit 14 people.
Not real shit.
Half of those wasn't kids. You know what I'm saying? We talking about a mall, okay? A mall is all ages. It could have been a mother, young mother, or with a baby stroller. He ran right through him.
Nah, that's crazy.
If they didn't put those rounds into him, he probably would have went through another door, another 14.
Type shit. Nah, real shit. I would have boomed that. I would have boomed them. You wildin'.
What is wrong with you, gang? Holy shit. What's his name? It's Wizzy. You got like, you a little fraud. How do you understand you will kill kids from what I just said? You know what? I shouldn't even reply to
this chat be wildin'.
Somebody like that, that's doing that, especially in the mall, like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I gotta just stop the threat ASAP, bro. It is what it is, bro. You gotta knock him down, chat. You gotta knock him down.
That's a fact.
that one right there. One right there.
He said, laughing my ass off, bro. Like, who you saying, eh?
Go have some coffee. Then I'm gonna have to give a statement. And we're gonna.
Oh, that's crazy.
That nigga ran over everything, bro. Damn.
Look, she's bleeding. Look.
Back there on the right.
That's some GTA shit. That nigga bugging, bro.
Look how far he got into the little mall, too, bro.
That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, chat.
John Daryl Schultz succumbed to his wounds at the scene of the crime. Thankfully, no one who was hit by his truck suffered from fatal injuries.
Amen, bro. No cap, bro. Because I hate, like, innocent people getting affected by some bullshit, chat. Like, come on.